Hey everybody, this is Anthony from Into the Darkroom, and this video is going to show you how to change the header images and welcome text on your Lyra blog. So let's go ahead and go to the ITDR admin. And we're going to go ahead, and when we're in the admin, we're going to go to the header image section, and we can do that by using this drop down up here. And I'm already there, but you could go to the header images. And you're going to see that I have images here that are all displaying right here. And if I wanted to upload more images, I would click upload down here, and I would add files for my computer, and once they all loaded, I would go ahead and click done. And then they would appear right here. Now they're going to be organized numerically or alphabetically based on the names of your files. So if you needed to sort those later, you can click sort, and you can just go ahead and move these around like this. And it'll change the order of your images. So we have the images in there, we know how to upload them, but we have a couple of options when it comes to this header. So let's go ahead and go to the header settings. And you can see that we have the option to use the header border. Now that border is this graphic that wraps around here. So if I click false and I click save, you're going to see that that border goes away. If you would like to use the header on all the pages, so right now it's just on this one main landing page, but if you want to have it on all the pages on top of the actual blog page, on top of the about page, on top of your contact page, you can go ahead and click true, and it'll go ahead and add it to all the different pages. Now you'll notice that I have a ratio in here. I have 815 by 400. Those are the sizes of my images. If we have something like 1600 by 900 images, you want to come in here and do a ratio of 16 and then 9 over here. So it's a 16 by 9 ratio. If you have a 1600 by 1200 image, this would be 16 by 12. So you want to go ahead and make sure that your ratios match your images. And so if you're going to change the images in the default, you're going to want to go ahead and change them here. Whatever this is set to as a default, you're going to want to make sure that it correlates to the images you're uploading. And then you have the speed that you can change on this header. So we have the animation speed, which is a transitional speed, and then we have the actual speed of the slideshow. So you can change these. These are in seconds. You can play around with them, see how you like it. And then you have the option to use the headers or to take, or I'm sorry, use the arrows or to take these arrows out. So if I mark this as false and I click save, it'll go ahead and add back that graphic border that I put in because I marked true, and it'll take out those arrows. So now the question is, how do we add this welcome text right here? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the welcome section, and you can decide to use this welcome on all pages or just this page, and then you just go ahead and type in your welcome text there and it'll appear here. And that's it. I cover a lot of the other options like the design options and your fonts and so on in other documentation areas. So if there's something that I didn't cover that you want to know, please let me know. Go ahead and put in a support ticket. We'd be happy to answer your question. Thanks so much for watching.